Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. And for today's episode guys, this one will be a super easy one. Alright, so as you know, a lot of you guys actually have this issue on your leather seats. Because the easiest way to get in and out of the car, right? Sometimes, you don't have to stand out totally. You just, tilt your body and then, you just slide it out. And after years of usage and years of sliding in and out of the seat, right? The leather will actually get worn much faster than the rest of it. Alright, as you know, for those of you in Singapore, a lot of parking spaces are so tight, you can open your door just barely enough and to get out of the car, and a lot of times you have to slide on the side bolster of the car without a choice. And this thing gets torn. And guys, for today's episode I have something that I bought. Alright, so this is the name of the product. It's called a black leather professional DIY repair. This small tube, right, will actually repair it, like a professional. So links to these items will be in the description down below. So I'm not hoping for a really professional finish, I just want it to be a DIY finish. But if I can get a professional finish out of this, why not? And this thing is really cheap. I got it for about, I think, less than $2 Singapore dollar. So it's about maybe $150 US. So I'm gonna put this to the test and see how it can repair my seat. Alright, so for those of you who are new, guys, please like and subscribe before we start this video. Alright, so without further ado, we're gonna start this one and try to get a professional finish. Alright, so let's go. So guys, this thing does not come with any instructions on how to use it, but I saw some tutorials online. First, you have to prep the surface. You have to clean it thoroughly. So I'm just gonna wipe it clean and let it dry. So I'm gonna use the professional, wife's hair dryer again, because this is really, it's really convenient and it speeds up the process. Alright, so everything is done and the surface is prepped already. So right now I'm going to, from what I see, you just apply it and spread it around and it will blend into those spots that have the torn leather. So right now we're gonna do this part first. Let's see how it looks. So it's something like this, and using this to spread it out. So far it looks like it is working. I think you have to spread it out with this and then use the corner, to scrape it so that you can get the excess away. For the holes, I think you have to layer it maybe a bit thicker. For all you guys, professional, leather repair guys out there, please bear with me. It's my first time doing this. I'm just a car lover, who wants to maintain the car as well. So let's hope it works. Spreading it around. For the holes, try not to scrape it too much because it will be able to fill in the holes like this. I think it looks brilliant. You guys are not here, you cannot see it. Later I'll give you some close-up shots on this. Okay, so these are some of the close-ups that you can see. Right now, I think a lot of parts have been filled in by the black repair kit, and it is looking like 10 times better, even right now. And on the side bolster, this part is the one that I have a few holes in it and it looked really bad. Yeah, and so far, I would say, let me get the light. Yeah. So far, I would say it looks much better now. And if you see closely over here, if you look closely over here, these are the holes they are made. Yep, so this thing actually, covers it, and it makes it like, it makes the texture look like leather even. Yep, so you can't really tell the hole. I mean, you can still see a bit, but I'm going for the second coat anyway, so let's just wait a while, yeah, and let it dry for the first coat. Right now I'm going to wipe it a bit for it to blend in a bit more to the existing leather. Yeah, this is one of the steps I see on the video. Yeah, so I believe its purpose is for that. Yeah, so I'm going to wipe it a bit. I think it's supposed to take away the excess, material that's lying around. I'm not sure if you are supposed to do it immediately after you apply it, but I just waited a while and let it dry more or less before I proceed with this step. For those of you who are trying out on your own, you can try it immediately as well, and let us know the result if you do that. Alright, so let's focus on this part a bit more, okay, because just now when I was wiping it, right, it doesn't seem to have covered the holes properly, so I'll be adding another layer on it. It's my first time doing it as well, so if I'm doing it wrong, don't blame me. Let's hope it works that way. Right now I'm going to do the last coat, which is I think the third or fourth coat, I can't even remember. Yeah, because the layering, right, of it, right, actually makes it, come up, and I cannot feel any of the fibers now. Okay, that means this thing has built up a certain height, to make it as tall, as high as the leather. Yeah, so right now I'm going to put on a bit more. Yeah. I can't really tell where is the holes already. Yep, so that's how covered it is right now. Yep, so this one should be the last one. Alright guys, so that's the end of the whole video. It actually took me about 1.5 hours, okay, to finish this DIY. It looks really easy, but the thing is, when you start to put more layers, you need to wait for it to dry and all this. But relatively, I would say on a difficulty of 10, right, this one is like a 1 or 2. It is really simple, and a lot of you guys out there should be able to do it. And as usual, links to the items will be in the description down below. Alright, so as you can see from the results, okay, it is not perfect, okay, it is not a professional job, okay, but it does the job for me. like I said earlier on in the video, okay, I'm not looking for a professional finish, just something, okay, to cover up the hole, because all the fibers, right, is coming out, okay, all the, I think the cotton or all the fabric is coming out already. Yep, so I need the holes to be covered, okay, and I actually covered them, okay, pretty well, okay, but the thing is, there were a few layers of black that are darker than the leather seat color. Yep, so it made a bit of a contrast over there, which is not so nice, okay, for those of you who are really, you know, very particular about all these things, right? Do take note, okay, when you are doing it, because don't make the same mistake as me. Yep. Okay, so guys, okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. Okay, if you like this, please smash the like button, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Alright, so stay healthy, happy modding your car. Bye.